Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi if you guys are new here, and if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and tuning in again. So today's video is going to be about Hermes Oran Sandals and my 1 year review on them. And I just wanted to talk about them real quick of like the wear and tear, my thoughts on the quality, the leather, the comfort, pricing, and everything of that sort. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to talk about the packaging. It comes in a really nice orange box like this. Here's the top. And it also comes with 2 dust bags that you can put it in so you can travel with them, and that way it won't get your clothes all dirty and it can be safe and secured in these dust bags. So these are great to have. I just leave them in the box. And the color I have is gold. It's like a tan color, and I don't know why my stuffers are different colors. I have a black one here and a white one here. Not too sure how that happened. So there is a bunch of creasing right here, and that's because that's where your foot bends when you walk. But there's no cracks or anything like that. I didn't condition these sandals at all. This is the other shoe. It's not too bad. I don't think I wear these too much, but I feel like I do wear them enough. So this is what the bottoms look like. When you first get them, they're very smooth. There's like no grip or anything to them. And that's because once you wear them, then you create your own grips, kind of like the Christian Louis Vuittons. There's like really flat, like no grip at all. That's why it just like creates its own, I guess, grip while you walk and everything. I think these sandals are really great with any kind of outfit. You can wear them with jeans, trousers, shorts, skirts, dresses, like literally anything. So I went with this color because I ended up getting a different sandal from Hermes that was black. So I didn't want to get 2 black sandals because originally I was going to get this in black, but I saw these other black pairs I loved way more in black, so I decided to get this color because then it's really neutral. So I do like to wear this one with light colored clothes, and then the black ones that I got while I was there, I got the I forgot what kind of sandal they are, but I'll post a picture up here for you guys to see what sandal that I got. And I love those in black so much, so it made sense to just get a different neutral color for the Orans. And in terms of price point, I would say these are worth it for the price, considering the Dior ones that I saw, some Louis Vuitton ones I've seen, like those were really expensive, like Chanel and stuff. So I'll post some of the examples I just mentioned up here for you guys. When you look at the price point from these websites, it's pretty expensive for what they are. So to get Hermes sandals at this price point is way better than to do like Dior, Louis Vuitton, where it's like not as classic. I feel like these sandals are way more classic looking because it's not like logomania or anything like that, or branded and stuff. Like, I mean, yes, you can tell by the H design. Like this sandal's more like if you know, you know, versus like if you got Louis Vuitton ones or the Dior ones, like they're branded, so it's a little bit more like in your face. But if that's what you like, if you like the logo and stuff, because I know some people really love logos, then that's totally for you. But for me, I don't really like to wear too many logos because in case I'm wearing a bag that has like monogram on it or like a big logo on it, I want to wear something that doesn't have like too much going on, so it doesn't take away from the other thing that I'm wearing, if that makes sense. There are different variations of the Oran sandals. Like they make them in like a wedge. They have one with a heel. My friend just got some with like a little heel on it. Sorry, my camera just died. But I really like these a lot, to a point where I think I would repurchase these in the wedge form. Like probably not the sandal form. I probably would go with a different color because they have the wedge forms in this color and black, and I think I like this color way better in the wedge form. It just looks a little bit more casual, but like really cute if you wore it with jeans and dresses and stuff. So I think I'll invest into those next because I love the way this one looks. Now for comfort, I would say it did take a few wears for the leather to soften up. I know some people have issues with the cutout parts, like depending on where your foot sits and like what's rubbing like against the lines right here, the edges. So these fit pretty okay after a few wears, because like I said, I just needed to soften up this flap right here because, you know, when you walk it kind of like bends, so that way your foot is like forming to the sandal. So would I buy them again? Yes, I would. I really do like them. They're so cute. I wish I could have them in so many other colors, but I think the next one I would get would be the Legend sandals. I think that's what they're called. They're the wedges. I'll put a picture right here for you guys again. These ones just I feel like would be so cute to have, and I probably would get a different color in the sandals maybe. I think Hermes makes some really great shoes. Like I've seen a couple of their sneakers, their boots, and other sandals, and they all seem really great quality. I know you can get these resold, but I don't think they're worth it because of the price point that they're at and the wear that it can get. I think it's just better to just buy like a new pair, unless you could find someone that can do it for like a really cheap price, and if the leather's not too bad, because this leather wears and stuff too from, you know, walking them. Like if these aren't cracked yet, then I would think it's worth it, but if your leather has creased and cracked and it's like, you know, gotten dirty or whatever from wearing it a lot, then I would say just get a new pair. But if you have a lot of damage on the bottom of the shoe, more than you have on top, then maybe it would be worth it to get it resold. But I think if you have you know, more damage on top than you do on bottom, then just maybe buy a new pair. And really quick, I just want to note this scratch I have here. So they do get scratched, but you can't really tell, especially when it's on your feet. No one's going to be able to see that up close. And as you can see, like the edges gets all roughed up from walking them, but like I said, no one's going to see it. Like if anything, people are just going to see like this part because you have your toes right there, you know, so no one's going to see, and they're going to be farther way down. No one's going to crouch down to stare at your sandals to see the wear and tear on them, you know. And I've seen the newer versions where they match the leather to this part. I can't speak on the comfort of those, or if it changes, or if they just change the shade of this. If anyone has the newer pairs and they've had old pairs, can you please leave a comment down below so that it can help others understand, like, you know, the differences, if it's different in comfort or wear. Please let us know, because I only have the older versions because this was purchased last year. But that's it to this video, everyone. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys have any other questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.